जम्मू कश्मीर के वज़ीर आला उमर अब्दुल्ला ने जुमेरात को कहा कि पहलगाम में दहशतगर्दाना हमले के बाद जम्मू कश्मीर में सयाहत के अहिया की पूरी उम्मीद है। कोलकाता में ट्रैवल एंड टूरिज्म प्रोग्राम से खिताब करते हुए उमर अब्दुल्ला ने कहा कि दहशतगर्दी के हमले के बाद जम्मू कश्मीर में सयाहत के अहिया के साथ एक नई शुरुआत की उम्मीद है। उन्होंने कहा कि मगरबी बंगाल के लोग जम्मू कश्मीर के साथ हैं।
We are not here because Jammu and Kashmir is empty. In fact, we are here with a story of optimism. We are here with a message of hope. We are here with a message of renewal. We are here with an invitation to ask you to not just believe in Jammu and Kashmir, but come and see for yourselves the post-Pahalgam scenario that is now unfolding in Jammu and Kashmir, where tourism has begun to flow back both to Jammu as well as to Kashmir. Our destinations are beginning to see a revival of interest. Hotels that had pretty much emptied out after the 22nd of April this year are now beginning to see not only bookings but occupancy. Our tourist destinations, whether it be Pahalgam, Gulmarg, Sonmarg, on the valley side, or whether it be pilgrimage to Mata Vaishno Devi, whether it be visitors to Patni Top and other destinations in Jammu, are also picking up. Now, the reason I am here at TTF Kolkata is because of the important relationship that Jammu and Kashmir has with West Bengal.